Well, good evening. It's Megan again, and I'm just going to go ahead and talk about how I started my Dropbox account. So I already had one through my Gmail account. So then I came up and decided to create a new folder, which is for the class EDCI 270. So I'm going to go ahead and click on it. And here is my topic that I decided to um, talk about and research about, which is annual management. And then I click on that. And here are all the badges that we have to get through the semester. And I did this all over here by clicking new folder. So when I click on badge number 1 that we've already been doing this past week, here are all the assignments that we've been doing, and all I'm just located in one certain area to allow me to come back, look through them, and have them right here. So now I'm going to go back to my files, and here is my Dropbox account.